Welcome to this guided meditation, a journey designed to cleanse and harmonize your body's organs and systems through the transformative power of sound, breath, and visualization. In this practice, we will begin with a calming body scan. Ensure your spine is straight yet relaxed, allowing energy to flow freely. Begin by noticing your natural breath, observing its rhythm without trying to change it. Bring your attention to your head, relaxing your scalp, forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Release any tension in your neck, your shoulders, allowing them to soften. Feel the warmth and relaxation flow down your arms, into your hands and fingers. Soften your chest and your abdomen, letting go of any tightness. Allow relaxation to flow through your thighs, your knees, calves, ankles, and toes. As you inhale, visualize drawing in pure, healing energy. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension, negativity, or stagnant energy. Now let's begin by greeting the liver. The sound for the liver is shoo. Dear liver, I honor your strength and resilience. As you inhale, visualize a vibrant green light enveloping your liver, symbolizing renewal and vitality. Recognize any feelings of anger or frustration residing here. And as you release and exhale, softly vocalize shoo. Releasing stored negativity and inviting balance. Shoo. We will shift our perspective to honor the kidneys. The sound for the kidneys is chori. Beloved kidneys, I cherish your wisdom and stability. As you inhale, visualize a soothing blue light surrounding your kidneys, representing calm and trust. Notice any fears or insecurities you may hold here. And as you exhale, release the sound once again. Chori. Dissolving your fears and restoring courage. One more time. Chori. Now let's invite some clarity to our lungs. The sound for the lungs is zzz. Precious lungs, I appreciate your purity and openness. As you inhale, visualize a clear white light filling your lungs, embodying purity and openness. Acknowledge your emotions. Be aware of any grief or sadness. And as you exhale, emit a soft sound once again. Releasing sorrow and embracing joy. One more time. These next 4 systems do not have a sound associated with it. However, we will hold space so that healing can take place. Shift your perspective to the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is often associated with the flow of emotional energy. It acts as a purifier, cleansing not just physical toxins, but also emotional residues, aiding in the release of suppressed feelings and promoting emotional clarity. Inhale and visualize a gentle, flowing light moving through your lymphatic pathways, clearing away both physical toxins and emotional blockages. Exhale. Sense any lingering anxiety or emotional congestion, allowing them to surface and dissipate. Inhale. With each breath, encourage the smooth flow of cleansing energy, fostering emotional balance and purification. Exhale. Moving on, shift your perspective to the glymphatic system. The glymphatic system is responsible for clearing waste from the brain. It symbolizes mental clarity and the subconscious mind's purification. It reflects our ability to process and release mental clutter, enhancing cognitive functions and spiritual insight. Inhale. Visualize a shimmering light washing through your brain, clearing away mental clutter and negative thought patterns. Exhale. Acknowledge any mental fatigue or feelings of overwhelm. Allow these feelings to be cleansed. Exhale. Inhale, clarity. Exhale, releasing mental tension, inviting a state of heightened awareness and insight. Shift your perspective to the digestive system. The digestive system is linked to our ability to digest life's experiences, assimilate knowledge, and eliminate what no longer serves us. It represents personal power, transformation, and the processing of emotions. Inhale. Visualize a warm golden light, soothing your digestive organs, symbolizing the harmonious processing of experiences and emotions. Exhale. Notice any stress or discomfort held here, reflecting unresolved experiences. Inhale and exhale, letting go of digestive tension, embracing transformation and personal empowerment. The last system is the largest organ on the body, your skin. It is your protective barrier, representing our boundaries and how we present ourselves to the world. It reflects self-esteem, sensitivity, and our connection to the external environment. Inhale and visualize a radiant light enveloping your skin, enhancing its protective barrier and your sense of self. Exhale. Be aware of any sensations or discomfort on your skin, indicating boundary issues or sensitivity. Exhale. Inhale vitality. Exhale, releasing impurities and strengthening your boundaries, promoting self-acceptance. Shift your perspective to awaken the heart. The sound for the heart is ha. Dear heart, we embrace your love and compassion. Inhale. Visualize a warm light glowing in your heart, symbolizing love and warmth. Exhale. Recognize any feelings of impatience or cruelty. Inhale. Deeply acknowledge these emotions. And on the exhale, vocalize again. Releasing negativity and inviting love. Inhale, and on the exhale, one last time. Shift your perspective to balance the spleen. The sound for the spleen is ho. O gentle spleen, we value your nurturing and balance. Inhale and visualize a comforting yellow light surrounding your spleen, representing stability and support. Exhale. Notice any worry or overthinking present. Inhale deeply, and on the exhale, gently sound again. Ho. Dissolving worry and restoring harmony. Inhale, and on the exhale, once again. The final space we will be harmonizing is called the triple warmer. The triple warmer is a unique concept in traditional Chinese medicine, representing a collection of vital functions rather than a specific physical organ. It regulates the body's water pathways, energy distribution, and fluid metabolism, ensuring harmony among all systems. Metaphysically, it acts as the body's thermostat, maintaining balance and equilibrium. The sound for the triple warmer is he. We honor the coordination and balance within. Inhale and visualize a harmonizing light aligning your body's energies, ensuring smooth communication between all systems. Exhale. Be aware of any feelings of imbalance or disconnection, allowing them to harmonize. Inhale deeply, and on the exhale, once again, promoting unity and equilibrium. Inhale, and on the exhale, once again, Feel the harmonious integration of all your organs and systems working together in balance. Embrace the release of old emotions, making space for positive energy and healing. Sense this alignment of your physical body with your subtle energy bodies, fostering an overall well-being. As we conclude this meditation, take a moment to appreciate the harmony and balance you've cultivated. I am a vessel of vibrant health, filled with peace, love, and vitality. My body and mind are in perfect harmony. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of renewal and balance into your day. Thank you for joining this transformative journey. May you continue to experience health, harmony, and happiness in all aspects of your being.